name's Louise James, and I've been working with Alexandra for the last 8 weeks on her social media mastery program. So the reason I joined with Alexandra is because I didn't know anything about social media at all, and I knew that I needed to put myself out there. So I needed somebody to help me, show me exactly what it was that I wanted to do and why I needed to do it, and how I could make myself visible in an authentic way. So Alexandra really helped me understand the importance of social media, and I found working with her really easy. She's very easy to talk to, and if I didn't understand anything, then I could say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. She'd go over it again, and she would always make sure that I was understanding at every level that she was teaching me. So the challenges that I had were implementing what she taught me, because I am new to working from home and I have struggled to find a routine. But coming to the end of this course with her, I now know exactly what I need to do, and I feel a lot more confident in putting into practice what she's taught me. Alexandra helped me identify my content pillars, which has really helped me understand why I need to do social media. And she's helped me put a plan into place, so I know every week what I need to post, why I need to post it, and when I need to post it. So I would highly recommend working with Alexandra. She knows what she's talking about, and she's very good at explaining why you have to do what you have to do with regards to social media.